Hello and welcome to Let's Cook with Shohini. So today we will take a look at how to prepare the delicious chicken rezala in the Bengali way. For the ingredients we need 1 whole chicken with bones. For marinating the chicken we need 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 2 tablespoons of full fat yogurt, some salt. Now I used 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of any kind of white oil, and I used the canola oil. For tempering the oil, we need 4 to 5 dried red chillies, 1 bay leaf, some peppercorns, 1 cinnamon stick, 3 to 4 green cardamom pods. Now for making the gravy, we need 1 medium-sized onion paste, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of poppy seed paste and 2 tablespoons of cashew nut paste, half tablespoon of coriander powder, some salt and some sugar as per your taste. For cooking, we need 1/4 cup of clarified butter or ghee and 2 teaspoons of canola oil and keora essence or keora water for the flavoring. Now we will marinate the chicken and then let it rest for 2 to 4 hours. So we will begin with the marination. First add the ginger paste, then the garlic paste. Next we will add 2 tablespoons of yogurt from the 1 cup of yogurt that we have for the gravy. Then we will add 1 tablespoon of lime juice, some salt. I used 1 teaspoon of salt. Then mix well. Now add 2 tablespoons of any kind of white oil to the chicken and cover the chicken with the marination. Cover the bowl of the chicken with an aluminium foil or any kind of cover and set it aside for 2 to 4 hours. Now let's begin making the gravy. Turn on the gas. And when the pan is hot, add the clarified butter or ghee and the canola oil. Now when the oil is hot, we will start tempering the oil with bay leaves, cinnamon stick, green cardamom pods, peppercorns, the dried red chillies, now it is time to add the onion paste. I have taken 1 1/4 cup of onion paste. Saute it for at least a minute. And then add 1 tablespoon ginger paste and 1 tablespoon garlic paste. Saute the entire mixture for a few more minutes. Now add some salt and half tablespoon of coriander powder. Mix well. Now add 2 tablespoons of poppy seed paste and 2 tablespoons of cashew nuts paste to the gravy. Mix all the ingredients very well. And now it is time to add the most important ingredient of this dish, and that is full-fat yogurt. Now we have already used 2 tablespoons from the 1 cup of full-fat yogurt needed for making the chicken rezala for marinating the chicken. So the remaining yogurt we will mix with some sugar and add it to the gravy. Now mix all the ingredients very well and let it cook until oil oozes out from the mixture. Now it is time to add the chicken to the gravy. Coat the marinated chicken with the gravy very well, and then you have to add some water. You can add 1 to 2 cups of water. I have added 1 cup of water to the yogurt bowl and washed off all the yogurt that is sticking to the sides of the bowl, sending them straight into the gravy. Then cover and cook for some time. Remove the cover and keep checking and stirring every now and then. Cook for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Now it's time to add some sugar to the gravy. Now add some keura water or keura essence. If you're adding keura essence, just add a few drops of it. And you will notice immediately the difference it makes to the fragrance of the gravy. And when you taste this dish, you will also find a significant difference this essence makes to the flavor of it. Now look at the rich, silky gravy of chicken rezala. Chicken rezala is ready. Serve it in a bowl. Enjoy this amazing Mughlai dish prepared in a Bengali style with parathas, naan or with biryani. Like, share and comment. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to receive updates. Thank you for watching.